Hi, this is your girl, Tanya Johnson Jones. And what I want to do today is come on real quick and just pump up the Small Business Excel Workbook. Now, I know that a lot of people have purchased the Small Business Expense Tracker, and that is awesome. It's a great way to help you maximize your taxes, but the Small Business Excel Workbook goes hand in hand with the Small Business Expense Tracker. The expense tracker, you have to manually go in and write down all your expenses and write down the prices and add them all up to get your totals. But the Small Business Excel Workbook takes all of the guesswork out of it. You don't have to sit down and do the math. It actually makes completing your Schedule C very, very easy. And it's actually the document that my 11-year-old daughter did that completed it for me. So I want to go in here. I'm going to share my screen with you and just show you my Small Business Excel Workbook that my 11-year-old daughter completed and show you why it's important for you to go ahead and grab the Small Business Excel Workbook, especially if you already have the Small Business Expense Tracker. So I'm going to share my screen and show you it real quick, do a quick tutorial, show you how it works, how easy it is, and how it will make your life that much easier. So this is my actual Small Business Excel Workbook, the Schedule C, for my book sales. And so really quick, if you look down the bottom row is the tabs. And it's the exact same tabs that are in the Small Business Expense Tracker, but this, like I said, it automates it. It's a no-brainer, guys. You have the January, February, and March daily expense records down the bottom. So just like in the expense tracker, the Excel workbook has the exact same system. But look, go up here to the top of this Excel workbook. You have the category, the expense source, the expense date, the credit card or cash, and your total, just like in the book. But right here, the category, every time you write something down, it has a drop-down menu. This drop-down menu has every expense that is on the Schedule C that you will use to fill out your Schedule C. So you would go in here and look at mine. My first one says legal and professional services from Poor Richards, December the 5th. I used my credit card, my business credit card, of course, and my total was $510. So we type that in. We go to February. We type all of my expenses in for February. We go to March. We type it all in for March. But this is the cool thing. When I go to my first quarter, and let's go down to supplies. You see in January, I spent $818.31 on supplies. In February, I spent $186.97 on supplies. And in March, I spent $342.51 in supplies. Well, when you get over here to the quarter, it automatically adds all of this stuff up. So my total quarter expenses on supplies for the first quarter of 2017 was $1,347.79. Now, although I kept all this information in my Small Business Expense Tracker, I didn't have to add it up by hand. This Excel workbook does that for you. And so this is why it's important for you to go ahead and grab yours. I'm going to even take you to skip all the way up to my fourth quarter expenses and show you how nifty this Excel workbook really is. So here's my fourth quarter expenses. All of these expenses are the exact same expenses that you will see on your Schedule C. It's in the exact same order. And as long as you use that drop-down menu, it's going to automatically populate all of your expenses for the year. So we're going to go down here, my legal fees and professional services, $10,652.14. We're going to go down here to my supplies. My supplies was a total of $6,631.76. So this is the Small Business Expense Workbook. It's going to actually automate all of your tracking system from your Excel tracker, your expense tracker. So definitely you want to go onto the Facebook page, the Small Business Expense Tracker, and get your Small Business Excel Workbook. These things go together like peanut butter and jelly, like Tanya and Andre, like George and Wheezy. They just pair very well together, and it's going to save you a lot of time. And do what I did. I hired my 11-year-old to go in and input all of this information. She completed the Schedule C. Although she was doing something very administrative, it was a huge help to me. Now, all I did was I printed out my fourth quarter. It has all of my expenses on it. And what I did is I sent that to my tax preparer. You can send it to your CPA, or you can utilize it to do your own Schedule C because it's actually done for you. So go onto our Facebook page, the Small Business Expense Tracker, and order your Small Business Excel Workbook. If you already purchased it, there's a nice discount for you that I can send you the discount code. So inbox me or hit me up. If you have not purchased it, we've actually bundled this. We have a new bundle on our Facebook page. You'll get the expense tracker and the Excel workbook, and you get a discount on that too. So definitely, this is a huge benefit. So I urge you to go in and get yours. And I tell you what, it's actually something that you can start using right away for your 2017 taxes. So I'm already completed with my taxes for the year. I have 2 businesses. My daughter has completed both the Schedule C for the book sales and both the Schedule C for my other business. So, and I had to pay her $5 for each daily expense record that she completed for me. Well worth my time, well worth my money, and it's a business expense contract labor. So hire your kids. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing your sales come in.